Smart Phonics. Today we are going to have a look at the vowels with more than two sounds. We know that vowels on its own usually make a short sound or a long sound, but there are exceptions where vowels can make different sounds. There are many exceptions. Only few of the exceptions are listed below in order to avoid complexity. The vowel A could make A sound as in fast, O sound as in talk, short O sound as in wash, fast, fast, talk, talk, wash, wash. And the vowel O could make a short U sound or a long U sound. L-a-v, love. M-u-v, move. The vowel U could make a short U sound or a long U sound. P-ut, put. T-r-ut, truth. The vowel A commonly makes three other sounds. When A is followed by an R, it makes R sound. We hear the R sound very mildly. If the R sound is fully cut off, we get A sound. So here are a few rules that help us identify which sound the vowel A makes. When A comes before L, it could make A sound or O sound. Half, half. Talk, talk. Ball, ball. When A comes before S, or when A comes before TH, or when A comes before F, it makes A sound. Past, past. Father, father. After, after. When A comes after the letter W, it makes short O sound O. Swab, swab. Was, was. Sometimes these three-letter combinations also help to identify which sound the vowel A would make. ALF, AST, ASK, ASS, ATH, ALL are the three-letter combinations that could also help in identifying which sound the letter A would make. When A comes after W, WA, and this combination also help us identify which sound the vowel A would make. The vowels O and U are often replaceable. O can sometimes sound like a short U or long U, and U can sometimes sound like short U or long U. O as short U sound M-a-n-a, Monday, S-a-n, sun. U as short U, P-ut, put, F-u-l, full. O and U as long U, M-u-v, move. I-m-p-r-u-v, improve. T-r-ut, truth. F-l-u, flew. The vowels O and I can sometimes make a long sound in a one-syllable word when it is followed by certain consonant blends like ld, st, lt, ilk, nd, etc. These are not digraphs, these are blends. O as long O, old, gold, told, host, post, ghost, volt, jolt, bolt, folk, but this one has a silent ill, so this would be yoke, folk. Ild, wild, mild. Ind, grind, mind. I'm, climb. So these are the points to remember, and in this video we saw the other sounds of vowels A, O and U. Vowels E and I usually make its short or long sound. Only few exceptions of vowels A, O, and U are listed in order to avoid complexity. The exceptions may have rules or it may not, and the remaining exceptions can be known under spelling rules, which will be discussed in the later videos. And these vowel sounds are not listed in the table we normally use in order to avoid complexity. If you have learned something new from this video, please like, share and subscribe. Knowledge shared is knowledge multiplied. Thank you.